Jesus! We are home! We are home! Oh my God! Oh! We are home! Oh!
Wait, Faith, let me...
Where are you going to now? Leave me alone. I'm sick and tired of this magic pot. I'm going home.
Mama, here is the bead. She gave it to me.
Good. With this, we are going to get her. Look! Look at her.
Ah! Mama, she's living large with the magic pots. Can you imagine?
Yes. Ada, you have to go. Go and look for her. And bring back the magic pot.
Ada, how? Auntie, you think I won't find you? You think you can kill me and get away with it?
Ada, I thought you were dead. I killed you. Ada, how did you find me? Wait, don't tell me you are a ghost. Ada, are you a ghost?
You're not even sorry. You're not sorry for trying to kill me. Your sister!
Why should I be sorry? Ada, tell me, why should I be sorry? When you prefer giving her that magic pot to a total stranger out there than me, your own sister, your own blood. You prefer to make outsider rich than me. You were just an obstacle blocking what I wanted. That is who you are, Ada.
What you wanted?
Yes.
The magic pot. So you were willing to kill your own sister over that stupid magic pot?
Ada, the pot you call stupid magic pot has given me everything I ever wanted. Ada, look. Fame, riches, wealth. Look. Just take a look. Is this house not beautiful? This is what I have acquired with that magic pot you call stupid. Ada, you're the one stupid and not the magic pot. All thanks to magic pots.
Auntie, you are really disgusting. You pay for what you did to me.
You pay for what you did to me. So I should be crying, shivering, going down on my knees to beg you, right? That Ada has come for revenge. Ada, never! Never! See, let me tell you, you will never set your eyes on that magic pot again. It now belongs to me, Ada.
Auntie! Auntie! Go inside!
Ada, now I know you are a ghost. Ada, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ada, I'm sorry. Ada! What am I doing here? Ada, let me go! Ada, so you don't have respect for me as your elder sister? Let me go! So you have the guts to kidnap me, your elder sister! Ada, so you don't have respect for me, right?
Elder sister, my foot! You are very lucky I'm only kidnapping you. You wanted to kill me! I told you before, you will pay for what you did to me. I was not joking when I said that. Now, where is the pot? Where is the magic pot?
Ada, I've told you, you will never set your eyes on that magic pot. Oh, you brought me here to kill me, right? Ada, kill me now. Kill me whether you ever set your eyes on that magic pot.
You are pushing me to the wall. Auntie, you are trying my patience.
Nkiru, you have caused a lot of mess already.
Ah! Grandma!
What? Grand what?
Ada, this is our great-grandmother.
mean by that woman is our great-grandmother. That woman is Mama!
Ada, she is our great-grandmother. She died long time ago. I was even privileged to meet her when I was 12. Ada, she died mysteriously. Nobody could explain how she died.
That's impossible. That is impossible. That woman is very much alive. You're just laying false accusation on her head. She's alive.
Ada, I can't lie to you. I'm your sister.
Are you trying to call her a ghost? Can a ghost take care of me? Look at my head. She put this bandage on my head. She has been giving me food, helping me take my bath, everything. She's not a ghost. She even gave me the magic pot.
Ah! Ada! You mean that man gave you the magic pot?
Yes!
Hey! Ada, we are finished! Ada, so I have been eating from the ghost. Buy property with the ghost money. Hey!
Auntie.
Hey!
Auntie, please stop calling her a ghost. She's not a ghost. Auntie, I don't believe what you're saying. I don't believe you. I don't believe you.
Ada, you don't believe me? Your sister. Okay. Ada, maybe I will take you to the village and show you her grave where she was buried.
Auntie, you've been lying to me. But on this occasion, you're sounding very honest. So you mean you're serious? You're not joking?
Ada, I can't lie to you now.
You've been lying to me, please. But I think you're serious now. This is strange. This is unbelievable.
Ada, come.
What is going on?
Ada, hold my bag.
Auntie!
Ada, wait. Ada, wait.
Auntie, what are you looking for?
Ada.
Auntie, what is it? What is going on?
Ada.
What?
The pot.
What happened to the pot?
It's gone.
What do you mean by the pot is gone? Where is the pot? Where is the magic pot?
I hid the pot here. I kept it there so nobody would see it.
So where is it? I can't see any pot. Where is the pot?
Ada, I don't know. Ada, wait. Let it not be what I'm thinking. No. Could it be Alaji?
Auntie, who is Alaji?
Ada, the man that sold this property for me.
What? How did he even know about the pot? You mean you showed someone the pot? You showed someone my magic pot?
Ada, yes. The man has been trying to buy the pot from me. He promised to give me any amount I want, but I refuse.
Auntie, what if the pot vanished with Mama? Because the pot is not here.
It's true. Ada, you have a point.
You said you know where her grave is, right? You know where they buried her?
Yes.
Please, can you take me to the place right now? Like,
sure, why not?
My pot. You checked well, you did not see.
Ada, there's no pot.
Please, let's go, auntie. Hey! My pot.
Ada, this is her grave. This is where she was buried. The woman that gave you that magic pot.
You mean Mama was buried here?
Ada! Come out!
What is it?
It's a taboo to step on someone's grave.
I'm sorry, I do not know. So you mean Mama is really dead?
Yes, Ada.
Auntie, look around. There are grasses growing everywhere on this land. Except for here. It's as if this part is cursed and barren. No grass can grow here. Something strange must have happened here. Something strange happened here. She's dead. She was buried here.
Yes, Ada. I told you she died mysteriously. The problem now is, I've been eating from a ghost. A dead person. Ada, now the magic pot is gone. Who knows if the houses will disappear? Ada, I'm scared.
But why was she coming to me? Why was she helping me? Why did she give me the magic pot? None of this makes any sense.
Ada, I believe she was trying to pass a legacy.
What legacy? Wait, she once told me that I was connected to her.
And since you are special and you are connected to me, yes, you are special.
Connected to you? Mama, what do you mean?
That is left for you to discover.
That was what she meant.
Yes, of course.
I don't know her. I don't know. This is too much for me. I need to clear my head. Everything looks like a bad dream, like a nightmare. Somebody wake me up. I need to wake up. I need to wake up. No, I can't. It's too much. I'm overwhelmed.
Ada! Ada, where are you going to? See, as you're going, go and tell grandma. Let her not take those properties that I acquired with those magic pots though. If not, I swear, I will come and dig her up. Because I want to enjoy my life to the fullest.
This is too much. Am I dreaming? Is any of this even real? No. Oh, no. Mama, but why? Why didn't you tell me you were my great-grandmother? No. My head. Mama.
Ada?
Yes?
Someone asked me to give you this.
Wait, hey, who are you? Wait! Hey! Hey! Great power comes with great responsibility.